Greetings everybody, Trading Jesus always here to update you about the stock market and the prices. Today we're gonna talk about Castor Maritime again and what's happened exactly about the stock split. We talked about last video, but the video have some technical issues. Sorry about that, and I already did talk about the stock split, and I got a lot of people that I got hate comments and people commenting, and they said why you didn't talk. So I'm gonna talk again to address this. And again, guys, never be emotional. So this hate comment is not directed to me. I can understand. It took the trade or you invest in Castor Maritime and you lost, and you just take it on anybody. This is not good way to handle your loss. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. Here, guys, we have the document for Castor Maritime announced reverse stock split to be effective May 28, as we can see. So this said they have determined to effect a 1-for-10 reverse stock split of the company common shares. The company shareholders approved the reverse stock split by ratio of not less than 1-for-2 and not more than 1-for-75. And this is, guys, what's happening. So from this, you have to take it for account. This is a good and bad at the same time. Stock split, actually, a lot of company did it, even Tesla last year, and a lot of big company do it. Usually they do it when the company like Tesla last year, the price for share was almost 2,000. So they do the stock split to make the share more cheaper for people to buy. So after the stock split for Tesla, it went to 400, but the value of the stock or the company, it never go up or down, will be the same, but the things that change is the floating shares that are being traded. So what you hold, let's say if you have $100 and worth of every share that you own before the reverse split is 50 cents, but after the reverse split you end up with 25 dollars worth of shares, but every share worth $2 instead of 50 cents. So Castor Maritime doing right now, this is what trying to do to make the price of the share higher in order to never be delisted. So this is like the history suggests, a lot of company done it, and this is kind of in short term they do it to let the price go up. At least do not get delisted at the moment. But now let's go to the technical. As we look here for the technical, guys, we hold at the last support and we do double bottom at the last time we touched this level at $36 at 36 cents on 13th of May, and we got back at this technical level. Let's see at least what's happening. As we can look, guys, in a smaller time frame, the volume is dropping like crazy, and we going below the zero, and we go below the negative, and this is really not good, because the moment we dropped and we have some support around the 36 cents, we got a bit of fighting chance to test a bit. We tried to go to the $40, but we didn't. We got a big rejection, and this is a way of the market test for a higher price, but we got a big rejection. So now by today or this week, guys, there will be a massive test around this area, around the 39, and this will be the incentive to market to test at least if the price will go above this resistant level. So you guys actually asked me about Castor Maritime, because I didn't say about the resistant last video, because like the market went down. So I just forgot to tell you about the resistance. So now the resistance lower from the last time. We have it at around the 46. Now the resistance I can see around the 39 before the 40. Here we're gonna see at the test, a big test for the price in coming days. Before if we go lower, if we just go lower and broke this level, guys, this is really crazy, because the point of split is Castor Maritime try to drive the price up at least to $1 to be listed on Nasdaq, but here it happened the opposite. So what we should expect, if we break from the 36, we're gonna see the price go at least, guys, at least at 30, around first around the 33. Then we're gonna see the price at least go to the lowest I could predict for Castor Maritime at the moment. If we just, I told you the last video, guys, around the 30 there is a hold up, and first around the 33, then around the 30. So the strongest one is I can predict for Castor Maritime is around the 30 after, if we don't hold the 36. And this is the massive point that we can look for Castor Maritime before we have a buying pressure happening anytime soon. And again, guys, I told you here we have to never go below it. This is the strongest support, and we should keep it. First, the strongest support is this area, okay, and the second support, if we break this one, we might get a bit of buying power around the 33. If we don't hold, we're gonna see the 33 for sure around the 30, and this is the second support that we're gonna see buying pressure. So hopefully we don't go below this level, because this the moment we go below the 36, guys, this is the sign of big weakness, because as we from the volume indicator shows a big weakness and turning to the zero before we been actually we been up and above the zero, but we never been clear above the zero. Now is negative, and this is not good incentive for the market. And as I told you guys, the second resistant or the first resistance that we have to go over if we want to go higher and test it, high prices, is the 39, and we have to watch out for this level. As I show you guys, try to never have emotion attached to your trade, because this is really bad. The moment you be emotional, the moment that you don't admit that you're wrong, usually some people just take it on, I don't know, like on the other people, like, or the comments, like what happened to me like yesterday. So they take it on me because they see some they lost some money, and they don't justify how they lose it, because they never put a risk management plan. As I show you here at my channel, try to have a strategy, try to define yourself what's your strategy plan is, and if you're long holder, why you're angry or why you're selling at the first place. If you do your due diligence at the first place and you know the stock is good. But I show you here, guys, the moment that we broke the support without even news, I told you the price will go at those level, because the market never forget and money never forget. We might forget, and the news we can control, but the things that we can control is our charts, our support and resistance and key level that we've been respected before. And this is a psychological level, and if you don't understand technical analysis and you say is BS or something, this is, if you don't understand something, don't say it in BS. Try to understand it first, then bring your hypothesis or theory about why it's not good, then we can talk. This is the idea. Never bash anybody, never say this is BS or nothing. This is make you ignorant, and you never learn anything new if you just never open your mind and use your slow thinking. If you use your fast thinking always, you never learn. Here we try to learn. I'm trying never give you a video or just passive. Make you active. I'm trying to make you think. That's why I'm trying to show you the prices with where you put your, not just buy and sell, but I'm give you even the reason behind it. So hopefully you see what I'm trying to do here at my channel. And if you like the video, bless the like button, and hopefully you like the video, and see you in the next update. See you guys.